Welcome to the cooler depot. I'm going to go ahead to introduce our new products. On my right hand, these tray containers. And let's take the size for the units. As we can see, the units come with a full set. They come with a one lid with one tray. And let's see the overall sizes. This tray about like a 13 inches length. And the 7 inches wide. And the almost about like a 6 inches deep. And for this lid, it's 13 inches in the length, 7 inches wide. And we can see the tray on the tray sides. We're having the levels from 1 liters, 2 liters, 3 liters, 4 liters at this one, and top maximum will be 5 liters. And also from the back, we can see they're having the temperature running from the standard room temperatures or even the frozen temperatures. That's will be information. Thank you for watching these videos. This is all information about the products.